We're gonna change the oil in this motor of this mixer. They haven't been changed since we had it. We got a lot of gophers tunnels there. Oh. Oh well.
Take a look at this. Isn't that nice?
Let's see. Oh, it's right there. There's the oil plug right there. Around inside the motor.
Okay. Don't take very much oil in this.
Yeah. That's the oil drain plug. There's one on the inside. Dump truck's backing up. That's gonna be a mess, ain't it?
Yeah.
You got that little uphill thing there, so you can't put the little tube in there. Had one of the little auto suction things that sucked the oil out of there. Oh, this thing got a number on it, don't it?
Yeah. Engine number. Ain't that cool? Okay. Let's make a mess.
Okay.
Nope. Nope. I gotta go get a 9/16.
High temperature been in the 50s and low 30 degrees the last few days, 3-4 days, and today's will be in the 70s, the next 2 days in the 80s, so best time to do this before winter hits. mixer we bought, what, 2 years ago or something like that?
Yeah. I think just 2 years ago.
How much we pay for it?
$1,000.
$1,000. Done the job we wanted to do so far.
Just a replacement for my old one. You can show them a picture of the old one.
Oh.
Laying over there on the side.
Yeah. The old one's torn apart. The old one's right here. We're saving the metal. When prices get good, we're gonna sell the metal. We're trying to cut it open to do something with it. I forgot what. But anyway, this is the old one. Smaller than the new one. Our new one anyway. This is where we put our recycled all before we take them in. We fill a few jugs up and take them in.
This is gonna be a big mess.
Oh, is it?
Surprise, your picture's just been taken.
Whoever thought about this is not too wise. Actually, they figure, well, they're not going to be changing the oil. We'll let the owner worry about it.
It'd be nice someday to take that off and then just cut a little square spot in there.
Yeah. Then put a little bin tube in it.
No, just cut out a square spot and then it just run down, straight down.
Oh, okay. I got
Better
you.
than running all over everything.
Yeah.
Like that's gonna do. That's gonna be a horrible mess.
This is our new motor we bought this year. Spring. Our old one, we just couldn't get it running. It's a little filter of a new motor. And that looked like the drain plug right there.
It is. How are you gonna get that rubber thing that they gave us?
What do we do with that?
It's in there by the other drain piece. In the oil section of my pile of junk.
Seemed like make a something to put the rubber hose on and just, you know.
I thought he was taking just his leash. How's it going? I'll never remember it. All right.
Well, just remember bathtub, you know. Dwayne, the bathtub, I'm drowning. Word association.
I'll never remember. I've already forgot. Already forgot.
Darn science bothering me. Oops, too fast.
Oh shit. Okay, I see. I see.
does have a dipstick on it. I remember old mowers where you just look in the hole, see how full it is. I guess the full line's right up here.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, it shouldn't take too much. About 3/4, that's what I was figuring. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, that's pretty close. Pretty close.
How much you use?
Uh,
Quarter of it?
standard for most mowers is about 3/4, except for like that one. I think that takes like a quart or something. At least it'll have good oil in it. Looks like it's got a little leakage up there. I wonder how many grease zerks there is. That looks like that has oil in it.
Hold on.
Well, what's that? What would that be? That would be a. That's a gear reduction. Ain't that cool? I'll have to read the instructions. Well. Huh. Try it again.
What brand is this? We don't know, do we?
What?
This. Oh no, you told me the engine.
Yeah, I got the. Found the engine stuff on it.
It's been so long ago.
Well, I keep coming across it when I'm going into documents. I see it. So probably better change that this next year. I don't know what kind of oil that takes.
Yeah, looks
Close enough.
Yeah.
Hell of a lot better than what it was. I'll have to do a little research on that. Okay, now how much gas we got in here?
You gotta take the screen out.
Yeah, we're gonna dump that. Okay, what am I gonna need? That turned off.
See the hose?
Yeah, it just runs straight down.
I got that one small electric pump that I use for the hot tub. We gotta wait to buy another one. Nice.
Oh no, we got. Oh, I thought we had two.
One.
We have one for the fish tank and we have one in the garage.
No, that's the empty box in the garage.
Oh,
I never bought another one. I just kept the empty box in case we needed it.
we ain't gonna do that. Let's just leave it in there, and then I'll deal with that in the spring. I gotta come in here and work on that. I might have to take the belt, this off. That or pull the motor. Might be easier just to pull the motor. And then I can go ahead and cut that.
Yeah.
That'd be an awesome deal.
So it'll be less messy to change it all.
Yeah, I think that'd be awesome. All right. Well, at least the engine's got fresh oil in it. Well, that's cool. put the oil in that? Am I gonna need that funnel?
I don't know. This is a Robin engine. We don't know what type of mixer it is, what brand.
Your picture's just been taken.
But plan to do this driveway sooner or later. It's all cracked up. That'll be a job.
Smart now. My name always was Hardway Jones.
Now we're greasing all the fittings.
Maybe.
Do you see if any grease is coming out before you put it on there?
I think it's
Clogged or something?
bad on me. No, just hard pushing. Is there an easy way to get it off too?
An easy way to get what off?
Off the zerk.
No, it should lock on and you just pull it off.
The grease coming out on the other side, I don't see.
Nope. Yeah, okay, it's starting to come. Well, it was air bubbles actually.
That's fine. Not gonna work. Good stuff like.
Do what?
Gotta put stuff up.
Why? Why?
Wood.
That's the end of this recording?
Okay.
Oh well. Did the old bridge that was here, we put the mixer, cement mixer on top of it. No, it's not too straight right now, but we'll deal with it later. Keep the wheels off the ground. It's like just wide enough almost. Wish that platform was a little bit wider, but anyway, that's the old bridge. And that's what we're gonna do with it. See, we got a little room on this side here. Well, I think that's all for now, folks. And get the works, splicing stuff together. Hope you enjoy it. Make a comment. We're not professionals. We're amateur DIYers. Do stuff ourselves. So until next time.